Yes, it is that time again. Another major operating system has been released by Microsoft. This time, it is Windows 11, which will get rolled out in the next 4 months. The first step to avoid frustration is to check your PC to see if it is ready for Windows 11. And yes, there are some caveats this time. Not every computer will be able to upgrade. So the first thing we need to do, as most of you already know, you either can click on Start and just type WinVer for Windows version, and that'll tell you your actual current version of Windows 10. In my case, I'm running version 21H1. Now, Microsoft released a tool called the PC Readiness Check. So open up your browser, and in the address bar, just type the following. I will post this down below so that you can have a link to it, and it downloads the Windows PC Health Check setup. Save the file, and once it's downloaded, run it. Click on OK if you're prompted with any security alerts, accept the license agreement, and install. Okay, once the PC Health Check has loaded, you have to check if your computer is ready for Windows 11. Click on Check Now, and here's an issue that I see on a lot of computers. And there's a number of different reasons for this particular issue. It will not proceed until you fix this particular concern. Now, what is causing it? There's a couple of different instances. Click on Start, go into Settings, and under Accounts, the first thing you want to do is make sure you're a local account. Sometimes if you're on a domain, that may cause an issue. And if you are, just simply go into Family and Other Users, add a new admin user onto your computer, sign in with that account, and that could bypass the majority of the concerns. However, in my case, and in many cases with computers that were previously in a business or have some sort of monitoring software on them, like CentralStage, Datto, Avast, many of them do automatic updates and things in the background. And it's the Windows Update settings that's actually causing the problem here. So how do you fix this? Simple thing, click on Start, Run, go into regedit 32, let the registry load up, and the particular instance that you're looking for is under HKey Local Machine, Software. Once you're in Software, browse down to Policies, expand Policies, Microsoft, Windows, and the particular one you're looking for is called Windows Update. This key here gets generated, and various settings in here interfere with the computer checking for Windows 11 readiness. So what you want to do, I always recommend before you delete anything, back it up, because that's your fallback just in case. So highlight this Windows Update key here, click on File, Export, and just export it to your Downloads folder. So we'll put it into Downloads, and we'll just call it Windows Update Registry so that I know exactly what it is. Now at this point, you can right-click on this and delete it. Yes, we do want to delete it. Check now, you see it still won't allow you to until you reboot your computer. So let's reboot. Okay, we are back into our system. Click on Start, and you can browse down to the P's, or you can start PC Health. Click on Start, Run, and start typing PC Health Check. That'll bring up the app which we previously installed. Now let's just click on Check Now. See, now it'll run the check because of the fact that we've removed that Windows Update. So if you're having that issue, that might be a reason. But again, please make sure you back up your registry before you make any changes, just in case you accidentally delete the wrong thing. As you can see on this computer, it says that TPM2 must be supported and enabled. Now, what is TPM? TPM is the Trusted Platform Module, and it's a chip that's integrated into your PC's motherboard, or you can also add it separately, so you can certainly buy one and upgrade a computer. Now, a lot of people are going to be upset because Microsoft is actually enforcing this. Initially, there was some talk about Windows 11 will run with TPM 1.2. And although it will, there will be some problems at some point, whether updates won't run, various other issues like that. Now, why is this a problem? TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is going to enable Microsoft to secure the operating system to at least stop a lot of the infections that were taking place. So this is not altogether a bad thing. So if you want to verify whether or not your system is running the right version of TPM, click on Start, type Tpm.msc, Tpm.msc. Once that loads up on the screen here, you can see it says TPM manufacturer information. In my case, my TPM is version 1.2. And although I can theoretically force Windows 10 to install, like I said, it's going to have problems. So you do need version 2. I will deal with the next video, I'll deal with upgrading to Windows 11 if you want to take care of that right away. Or you can wait for it to be pushed out to your computer from Microsoft, and that will take place over about 4 months. So if you're having a problem, or if you want to know if your computer is ready, this is the main thing you want to do. Make sure you have TPM version 2. They say a minimum 4 gigs of RAM, but no. A minimum for Windows 10, Windows 11 needs to be 8 gigabytes of RAM. Anybody who says it's okay with 4 obviously hasn't run it with 4, because it's really, really slow. You also want to have at least 64 gigabytes of storage space, so make sure your hard drive isn't full. Because if you're down to less than 20% of space at any given point in time, updates and things will cause a concern. So make sure you have enough disk space. Simply click on this PC, check your system. In my case, I have more than enough disk space. Make sure you do too. So hopefully this has helped you prepare for the upcoming Windows 11. It is actually out already, so you can force the upgrade right now. And like I said, in a couple of days, I will release another video with the actual update so that you can see how to get it now and how to install it. But for now, please check your system to make sure it's ready for Windows 11. Anyway, folks, hopefully this has been informative. By all means, do give us a thumbs up if you like it. Take care, have yourselves a fantastic and safe day. Until next time, bye for now.